Good day and welcome to the Math Salon. My name is Dr. Namendem. Today we will look at 3 ordinary level paper 1 questions. So the first question says, given that 0, O is the center of the circle, find the area of the shaded region in terms of pi. So this shaded region of the circle is actually called a sector. So this is a sector, and this part is called an arc of the circle. So this is a sector. The radius of the circle is 6 centimeters, and here the angle there is 60 degrees. So normally the area of a sector is given by 1 all over 2 theta r squared, where r here is the radius and theta is the angle given in radians. So given in terms of pi. Or now our angle is given in terms of degrees. So in that case, the area of a sector would be theta divided by 360 degrees times pi radius squared, where theta now in degrees. So what do we simply do? We use the second one. So in another question during an exam, if you are given this angle in terms of pi, like pi on 3, pi on 6, and so forth, then you would use this first form of the formula. Otherwise, you use the second one. So from the second one, our angle is 60 degrees. So theta is 60. So I put 60 degrees divided by 360 degrees multiplied by pi. The radius is 6 centimeters squared. So this is 6 centimeter all the squared. So of course you can see the 0 cancels this goes 1 and this goes 6. And then this squared here is 36. So this is equal to 36 pi centimeters squared divided by 6. If you cancel that, you get 6 pi centimeters squared. Question number 2 says, find the value of the expression x on 360 pi radius squared in terms of pi when x is equal to 180 degrees and r is equal to the square root of 2. In fact, this is a similar question to this one. Here the circle is not given, but you are told the radius is root 2 and you are told the angle is 180. And this is the formula for the sector when the angle is given in degrees. So in that case, our x on 360 degrees times pi r squared should now be, x is 180, so I put 180 degrees on 360 degrees times pi, and the radius is root 2, so I put root 2 squared. This goes here 1, this goes here 2 times, so this is pi on 2 times the square root of 2 squared. This square removes the square root, I'm left with 2. So that is just 2 here. So the answer is pi. So for question number 3, this is very important. There are some properties that you have to know about two parallel lines with a line that cuts through both of them. If that is the case, then there are some things you have to know. So if I have two parallel lines like this, with one that divides them through, then this angle that is actually the opposite of this one, they should be the same. So if this is A and this is B, then A should be equal to B. If we have C here, then this C and the B, they are called alternate angles, then they should be the same. C should be equal to B. If I have something here like D, then C and D should be equal to 180. So C plus D should be equal to 180 degrees because they're angles on a line. See, you can also say B and D should also be 180 degrees. So these are opposite angles, these are alternate angles. There you see them. And we will say these are adjacent ones. So the adjacent one should also be equal to 180. Whatever the case, so here, it means this angle here should be 60 degrees. And therefore, by the property of this two, C is equal to B, this should also be 60 degrees. But angles on a line, this half a circle, is 180. So it means x will be equal to 180 degrees minus this one, 60 degrees. And that is 120 degrees. That was it. Hope you liked it. If you did, please do not forget to give us some thumbs up. And most especially share. And ask your friends to also subscribe so that once I upload new videos about new problems and new topics, they will be able to get an alert. Thank you. Bye-bye.